My name is Susanne Scheibe and I am co-coordinator of the theme Understanding Societal Change in the Research Master. This theme is a collaboration between different groups, including environmental psychology, social psychology, organizational psychology, sociology, and psychometrics and statistics. Now, in this track, we try to understand a variety of societal developments which are currently ongoing and have a clear social dimension. So you could think of changes in the workplace due to digitalization or the aging workforce. You could think of climate change, radicalization in society, man-made disaster, and many more.
I'm a social psychologist and I study attitudes towards immigration, specifically why less educated people tend to be so negative towards immigrants.
I'm an organizational psychologist and I study the role of affect and emotions in the workplace. I'm curious how our feelings at work or about work are shaped by the work context and by personal factors such as age and emotion regulation.
In our social psychology group, immigration is actually an important topic. So colleagues study how we can bridge intercultural differences, and others study how threats, emotions and communication can affect attitudes towards immigrants.
In organizational psychology, there's a number of popular topics such as occupational stress and well-being, creativity, leadership, and more generally, what makes employees engage and thrive in today's world of work.
So I'm an environmental psychologist and we study what motivates people to act pro-environmental and how can we promote such pro-environmental change.
I am an organizational sociologist and we study how organizations and institutions influence people's behaviors such as pro-environmental behaviors.
And as psychologists, we would then in turn study how, if for example an organization presents itself as pro-environmental, how does this influence its employees working at the organization?
And then we would look at how people within these organizations, through their relationships, influence each other towards societal change.
My name is Ronja, I'm 26 years old and I'm currently a second-year student of the Research Master in Behavioral and Social Sciences. I have a sociology background myself. Last year I worked together with 2 other psychology students. We worked on a project that was an initiative by a couple of youth care organizations in Friesland. They wanted to create this platform that focuses on the use of experts by experience in the youth care sector. What we ended up contributing is that we created awareness about how you can use these people in this setting, how you should train them and what you can expect them to do and what you shouldn't. And this was something that the organization hadn't really thought about a lot beforehand. If you want to solve a societal issue, it's really important that the policy that addresses that issue is based on research. And I want to be able to provide that research.